If you are seeing your screen flickering, any part of it, here's what you can do to fix it. Connect the USB cable from the monitor, if it supports, to your computer, and then update the firmware for the monitor by going into the respective manufacturer's website. Like for example, this is Dell monitor. So go to dell.com and search for your product, and I search for the product name and try to install the firmware update. The second thing that you can do to fix is to check the refresh rate of the monitor, and that you can see by going to the display settings. You can easily navigate to display settings by right clicking anywhere on the desktop. Like for example here, right click on the desktop and I go to display settings. Going to display settings, you will see an option called advanced display settings. Click on that. And over here, generally the refresh rate would be around 60 Hertz. Make it the maximum value possible. And the third thing that you can do is to spank on the back where the flickering is happening. Like for example, if the flickering is happening on the right side of the screen, so I gently tap on the back of the corresponding area. And the last but not the least thing that you can do is to take the monitor to a technician for physically repairing the monitor by taking all the parts apart. And a bonus tip for you, if your monitor is flickering, you can disable the power save mode. Try to see if that helps. And that's how you can fix your monitor. If it did help you, please give it a thumbs up and stay tuned by subscribing. Have a good day. Bye.